This is Carolyn's finger picking pattern for playing a waltz. I'm making a C with my left hand, keeping it simple. Now it looks like this. So 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. I'm finding myself counting it that way. 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. So it's a combination of playing single notes and playing two notes at the same time. It has a beautiful waltz feel. So the single note is on the G string and on the C string. So I'm plucking with my thumb and my index finger. That's 1 N. And then with these two fingers right here, with the middle finger and the ring finger, I am plucking those two strings together. So it would be the E string and the A string. I'm plucking together at the same time. Now, if that's new to you, then let's break it down even more and just start by plucking these two strings together before we integrate it into the finger picking pattern. So you get a feel of plucking two strings at the same time. You don't have to do it fast, like so. Now let's put it together. I'm going to count really slow. 1 and 2 and so it'd be 1 and 2, 3, 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 1 and 2. So like the first line of this song, Moon River, it would sound like this. Moon, A minor, river, F, wider than a C, mile. Do a little more, F. I'm crossing you in C, style, D minor someday, E7. So there's a beautiful finger picking pattern that's a great option for us in this song.